Hi, so I'm going to be talking to you guys about one of my biggest beauty tips, and I'm also going to just be talking about green juice and juicing in general. I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that I do have a juicer. I've had one for about 6 months. They are kind of an investment. They're not really cheap. The one I got was only about €80, but you know, I didn't want to like buy it and then never use it. So I'll go over kind of my reasoning to why I got a juicer and the benefits I find with having one. One of the main reasons that I decided to get a juicer is I love the idea of just kind of having something like, you know, where I could just put a whole bunch of vegetables full of like nutrients together and just drink it really fast, because I'm not really one of those people who just like to gnaw on a bunch of veggies. I do like to make sure I get a lot of greens in my diet, you know, like just eating them with my meals, like I have them with every meal pretty much. However, it's still just like, it really appeals to me to try to get as much nutrients in as much as possible in such a short period of time. That way I don't have to worry like, am I forgetting something today? Do I feel like crap because, you know, I haven't had enough nutrients? So it's a really good way to make sure you're getting, you know, enough nutrients and stuff. And another way you could do this is just by using a blender, you know, just making smoothies. For me, I really hate green smoothies. I really don't like them. I love smoothies, but I hate green smoothies, and not because they taste bad, but because their texture is really weird and gross. That's just my personal opinion. I mean, like, I try to get down a few green smoothies because they're really good, because they're full of like all the vitamins and they're a little bit more intact, I think, than the juice, but also like they have fiber and stuff in them, the smoothies, as opposed to the juice. You know, there's a lot of benefits to doing the smoothies. It's a cheaper option. Most people have blenders, so you know, you could do that, but I really just was having a hard time getting myself to drink green smoothies. The texture just really turns me off, and ever since I got pregnant, I've been really fussy about weird textures and whatnot, especially in the first trimester. Like, the juicer actually came in such good handy when I was in the first trimester, because I was feeling a little bit nauseous and the texture of the green smoothie was just horrible. So I found myself, you know, having a lot of juices during the first trimester of my pregnancy, so that really helped. I'd say I use my juicer about once a week to, you know, once every 2 weeks. It really depends on how things are going, because I try to get most of my vegetables and greens and fruits. You know, I just like to eat them and is part of my diet, but sometimes I feel like the juice or the green juice just really helps give me that extra boost I need, and I always have noticed a big difference in my skin when I start, you know, drinking green juice again. But just overall, I've really enjoyed my juicer. I've had it for 6 months. I haven't had any issues with it. It was €80. Again, I don't know what it's called right now, but I will put the link in the description box to what it's called. And you know, I just love the benefits from drinking the juice. I love it, and it tastes really good. I will show you guys this juice right here. It is quite pulpy. I do like to, you know, leave a little bit of the pulp in, because I do like to get some extra fiber in there. It's not that bad. It's not like the green smoothie. So, but this one is really good. The link will actually be on my blog. If you guys don't know, I also have a blog, and I will put the link in the description box, and I will have a little recipe for this juice, which is just like one of my favorite juices. And you know, you could make juice in a blender. I actually have a video of me doing a juice fast, and I show you guys how you can make juice with a blender, but the concentration of flavor is a lot different. Like, I think this tastes a lot better. It's really, really just energizing, and it really feels like everything's there. It doesn't just taste like water. Like, that's the way I felt about it when I was drinking juice from a blender. So a juicer I just think it's awesome. So it's definitely something to think about. I really, really love it. It's definitely one of my top beauty tips. My skin always starts improving when I start drinking green juice, my mood, my energy. And I feel like my body's getting all the nutrients it needs. So when you're healthy on the inside, it's really gonna project onto the outside that you're healthy and happy. Overall, I really, really love my green juice. So I'm gonna go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.